Giorgos Chrysokentis, and I'm a senior business consultant at Watermeλon, a small and medium-sized enterprise based in Greece, which specializes in niche consulting services in the fields of decarbonization and digitalization in the maritime, energy and transport sector. In the context of the UNDERPIN project, Watermeλon will coordinate the execution of the use cases, providing expertise in data analytics, with focus on the technical implementation of predictive maintenance in the fields of refineries and wind farms. Participating in a data space might sound insignificant or far-fetched for your day-to-day operations. However, UNDERPIN will provide a trusted collaborative platform which will enable data sharing and help you improve your business operations. In specifically for small and medium enterprises, UNDERPIN will provide access to a significant infrastructure that would be out of reach if attempted individually.